In our quest to provide sustainable cleaning supplies, we came across this, Soap 2O. Soap 2O is possibly the world's most sustainable hand soap. Hi, I'm Andrew from Hygieia, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. Today we'll be looking at Soap 2O, a fantastic commercial hand soap that's also great for the environment. It eliminates the need for single-use plastics, reduces shelf space by up to 92%, reduces transport costs by up to 90%, reduces weight by 99%, cuts packaging by up to 70%. It's not tested on animals and is vegan friendly. And as though this list couldn't get any longer, it also smells amazing. Soap 2O is an innovative soap solution made out of biodegradable materials. The soap powder is encapsulated in a water-soluble film. Once added to water, it completely dissolves, making the soap product. The soap is formulated to clean and moisturize your hands, and it's fragranced with pomegranate or pink grapefruit. Simply fill the bottle with water, drop the sachet in, shake the container, and after 30 seconds, it's ready to go. Soap 2O aims to prevent any plastic generation for the soap industry. If you have any questions about Soap 2O, please drop us a comment below. I'm Andrew from Hygieia, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs.